We are at the Pune Roadshow of Logimat India. Logimat is one of the world's largest exhibition on logistics, storage, intra-logistics, and they are coming with their first edition here. And coming into the roadshow, I was able to know more about EcoBoard, a company which is there in India for a very long time. But now they are bringing a lot of sustainability into the Indian market through their offerings.
Yeah.
I am having with me Mr. Chauhan. Today's your presentation have given me a lot of insights. So can you just tell me about your offerings, EcoBoard's offering for the logistics sector?
If I talk about the warehousing and logistic industry, we are trying to replace all the conventional solutions they are existing in. All the technology that we are right now implemented is being implemented or has been implemented in past in Europe. So all the technologies that we have implemented in India right now, it's adopted by European technologies. For example, I'll take a EcoDeck solution that we are offering right now. So what happens generally in a mezzanine floor, on a G+1 floor, what generally happens is people do concreting. People use cement boards. What happens is generally the dead load of those cement boards is quite higher. It's a time-consuming solution. You need to do different kind of finishes over it. So it's taking time also. So what we are doing right now, it's a board that we are manufacturing. What you need to do is you just need to take this board over the mezzanine and just screw it from the understructure. So it's a portable solution. It's a time-saving solution, quick solution.
You built a floor within days.
We did 1 lakh square feet in like 24 hours. It's like a portable solution that we are offering. You don't need to do leveling in a floor, no kind of tiles being used over there. It's a laminate finish that our company provides. We also provide it with a 10 years warranty over it. So if there is any kind of abrasion, sometimes what happens in mezzanine flooring, there is a landing space where people drag like all kind of machinery over to the floor. So if there is some kind of abrasion rate on our EcoBoard solution, so we also replace those solutions.
Apart from that, I also heard that sustainability. You told about European technologies. If you go to Europe, they all talk about sustainability. You also built these products from waste.
Yeah, these are basically different kind of agricultural waste, basically agricultural waste that generally farmers burn. So as you heard that there is like 150 million ton of waste that is being burned. So it's causing a lot of CO2 emissions in the environment. So it's a step forward to while saving the environment as well. So what we are trying to do is we are providing a secondary income to those households. When you are done with the sugar canes, when you have sold all your sugar canes, those fibers that are being burned can also be a secondary household income for all those rural families in farmers maybe. So it acts as basically a secondary income for them also. So you buy those fibers, agro fibers, be it cotton fibers. So we buy those fibers. We have pressing machines basically. We procure our laminations from Italy. We have pressing machines from Germany. So we just do up pressing and basically make a board, high density boards out of it.
So I think your company is having a vision and you are very clear what kind of business you are doing. Who is the person who is driving all these?
Actually, currently our technical director, Mr. GPK Raju, he is in Mumbai right now. Basically, it's his vision. He has a vision, being a leader, how to bring change into the environment. As Neil Kamal and everybody they talked about pallets. So I also say that we are also currently making pallets. We are selling 10,000 pallets each month to Mahindra and Mahindra Logistics, and those are eco-friendly pallets. Since the pallets are those things, either they are expensive, you use plastic in it, they are expensive, or you use a cheaper pallet and it keeps on breaking down, you need to change again. So those kind of things, we are bringing innovations.
And your product is bulletproof.
Yeah, we have worked with some kind of marines and military projects also. So there we have done testing on a project. So it's being used. So right now, one of the most innovative solutions that I want to speak through your medium is in Ireland, the wooden logs that are used in fireplaces. That has been banned right now. So we are exporting our material as a replacement for wooden logs. So I think that's what as I mentioned earlier, Mr. GPK Raju, it's his vision to bring sustainability and innovations. What we are thinking right now, where the material can be replaced, where we can reduce the carbon emissions, where we can do those kind of things to bring a change in the environment as well.
Mr. Chauhan have given us a reason for us to visit Logimat India.
Yeah.
Had to meet GPK Raju.
Yeah.
It's so amazing the
Right.
kind of thought process what he's having, the kind of vision he's having, the kind of opportunities he's picking up. Somewhere in Ireland,
Yeah.
some wood is banned. Now he is exporting it India, giving a solution. Amazing.
Yeah.
Share our congratulations to him.
Yeah, sure.
And making all of India. We always talk about Make in India, and here there is a Make in India solution for the world. So friends, take your time from 28th February to 1st of March. We all will see you there at EcoU stall at Logimate India. Thank you very much.